Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is your Ramandeep Singh, and today we will be starting a new series which is related to graph and graph algorithms. Again, the topics, the things are going to be to the point and short and crisp. Why? Because we are preparing like this, we are solving a sheet which is good for preparing for technical interviews at the end point, end moment, है ना, जब ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है, एक आध महीना रह गया, 15 दिन 10 दिन like that. So you can refer this sheet, and in this playlist which I will be launching today, we will be discussing the very basic and very important algorithms and techniques which we have in graphs. We will start with the depth first search. We will not start with what is a graph, क्योंकि ये मैं assume कर रहा हूँ अगर आप ये sheet solve कर रहे हो, if you are solving this sheet, then you know what is a graph, what is a connected graph, what is a disconnected graph, what is the difference between a graph and a tree, etc, etc. What is an edge, what is a vertex, what is a node. You already know these things, so that's why we will not be discussing those things. We will directly jump to the first problem, the first technique or the algorithm, that is the depth first search. So depth first search we will start with. We will also discuss breadth first search, and not the algorithm but its direct application. Then we will move to the problem, that is the second problem of the list, that is देखनी पड़ेगी, हाँ, shortest path, cycle detection and topological sorting. So we will discuss about what is shortest path से आपको याद आ जाना चाहिए Dijkstra algorithm, है ना, BFS अगर unweighted graph है तो these things we will discuss. We'll discuss about Dijkstra algorithm, its implementation, why it works, why like it's a greedy algorithm, and how it works, where it fails, etc, etc. So we will discuss all those things which we have related to Dijkstra algorithm. Then we'll move to the cycle detection algorithm. How do we detect a cycle in a graph? So we have a graph. If the graph has a cycle, how do we detect the cycle in the graph? Finally, we will move to the topological sorting, that is related to directed graphs. So if we have directed edges in a graph, so we have one node and then we have another node, then we have an edge going from one node to another node. So topological sorting is all about the ordering, कि भाई एक ऑर्डर में नोड्स को हमने अरेंज कर दिया, एंड देन वी जस्ट हैव टू नो कि whether the ordering is correct is according to the topological sort or not. Topological sort means कि पहले वो वाला नोड आएगा जहाँ से मतलब एज जो है वो डायरेक्टेड है, जहाँ एज की टेल एग्जिस्ट करती है, ठीक है. तो we'll discuss it in detail when we will be learning about topological sorting, and I have an interesting problem related to topological sorting for code forces and code chef lovers. The problem is from code forces itself, and the problem is really interesting. It involves mathematics as well as this topological sorting, and I would be solving that problem at the end of the series after I complete this, and I expect you people to go with the flow with me in this series, starting from the very first problem, and we will move till the end. So that's all for this video. I hope you will enjoy this series, and you will learn something out of it, and we'll see you soon with the very first problem of the series. Till then, take care. Bye bye, ladies and gentlemen.